In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable track changes in Microsoft Word to keep a clear record of all your edits and modifications. This feature is incredibly useful for collaborative work, proofreading, and also for keeping tabs on how your documents evolve over time. Let's dive right in with a simple and effective way to turn this feature on. First, you need to open your Microsoft Word file. This can be a new document you're just starting on, or perhaps an existing one where you're about to make some important changes. Simply launch Microsoft Word and open the document you specifically want to edit. Having your file ready at your fingertips will streamline this process significantly. Once your document is open, the next step is to navigate to the Review tab. If you're unfamiliar with where to find this, it sits up there in the array of tabs at the top of your Word window. Clicking on Review opens up a host of options designed to help you edit, comment on, and make changes to your document in an organized manner. This tab is essential for any kind of proofreading or editing task you have at hand. Now let's focus on activating the Track Changes feature, which is really the highlight of this tutorial. Within the Review tab, you will find a section labeled Tracking. In this section, you will see the button for Track Changes. Click on it, and Word will start recording each change you make to the document. A quick tip: once you activate Track Changes, Word will visibly mark every insertion, deletion, or amendment, allowing both you and your collaborators to see exactly what has been altered. This is invaluable when you need to revert back or review what modifications have been made over time. And just like that, you're done. With Track Changes enabled, each keystroke, deletion, or formatting change will be underlined or highlighted depending on your preferences. This might feel like writing a paper trail, but it's immensely helpful if you're working with a team or simply want to ensure every edit is accounted for. To sum up, with Microsoft Word's Track Changes feature active, you're not only able to work more efficiently, but also ensure your documents are well managed. It's an essential tool for anyone who collaborates frequently through Word documents or anyone who simply wants to keep a good tab on document versions. Give it a try in your next Word document session and see how it can transform the way you work. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Keep practicing, and before you know it, this will become second nature in your document editing workflow. Until next time.